So I've just set up a different homework this time, only because somebody asked a question about how to put a divide by sign in, and I've had a look and worked that out, and it's quite straightforward. So this is going to just be some questions to do with division. So this time it's going to be automatically marked. So automatically selected here, because I'm going to use very straightforward radio buttons as the answer to the questions. So let's just set up a new question. And I'm going to just show you how to make things faster than what we had before. I'm just going to type in the letter A because you need something in the question. But my main question is going to be here. So I'm just going to put 8 divide 40. So the reason I'm putting divide there is because I just want to know where to put the division sign. And to get a normal division sign, we just have to click in source here. And where we've got the word divide, we need to put in an and symbol, an ampersand. So that's just holding down the shift key and the number 7 on the keyboard will give us that. So if I now just click on save for this, let's just have it as radio buttons for the moment and just click on save. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I'm also going to format this so it's a lot bigger. So that's one of the advantages of using this particular box here. So let's just make that nice and large. In fact, that's still not large enough. Maybe let's try something like this. Okay, right, that's better. And so this time I'm just going to put a range of different answers in so they select them, because this is the most straightforward way of getting the computer to mark it, because there is no error in what other people type in. So, and there is only, one correct answer to that. Oh, that should be 8 divided by 4 actually. Got that the wrong way around. Oh, well, it could be divided by 40, but this is a straightforward division. So the answer to that should be 2. So this is the correct one. Again, I'm not going to put any scores in just because it's not marked. And I'm going to set this as mandatory. And that basically means that the question has to be answered before students submit it. So for the more challenging ones towards the end of the homework, we can untick this if we want. So I can just say save now. So I've just saved that question. It's fine just to call it A. That's absolutely okay. And one of the things I want to do is make setting up the questions really straightforward. So I'm just going to click on where it says divide by, so the very first page, and then I'm going to select list, because all of my questions are going to be division questions. So I'm just going to click on that, and I'm just going to say duplicate it, and it will make another one. It can automatically number these, it doesn't really matter, and then I'll get it to duplicate it again. So however many questions you want. So remember, these are the mandatory questions. So I'm just going to set those up. So all I have to do now is go in and edit them. So the first one I know I've done. So let's just have a look at the second question here. So this one is going to be, let's say, 24 divided by 4. And this time I just change one of the settings over here and give another range of options and choose the correct one. And again, I don't need to score this, just make sure I select one correct, and that one saves it. And now I can edit the third one. I know this is the next one I need to edit. So let's do something like this, etc. So I can just set up all of my division questions like this, and in the next one I'll just show you what the results look like once somebody takes this when you don't have a scoring system.